Alright guys, so in today's video we're going to be taking the Miata back out to the tuner. It's kind of a long drive out there, but it should be fun. Boost the Miata out there. Hopefully we don't run into any more wastegate issues and over boosting and all that good stuff on our way out there. So let's hit the road, get on the dyno, put some real numbers back out on the sheets, and then take her back home and rip around again. So I'll catch you guys when we're on the road to the dyno. Wasn't me. Shoot, someone got smoked. Ah! Alright guys, so as you saw in the dyno clips, we are, we're making 177 horsepower. So the thing is, another wastegate problem is the diaphragm in it is acting really weird, so it'll max out at 7 pounds, and then it'll start to, I guess, stay open for too long. I really don't know how to explain it, but it drops down to 5 pounds of boost. So that's really weird. So it peaks at 7, hits 100, almost 180 horsepower, drops back down to 5 pounds, leaving it at like 130 or something like that. So it's really weird. Something I'm gonna have to look into a bit deeper. Probably try a different wastegate. Again, it's just really just chasing my tail with this now. But anyway, I'll catch you guys when we have another video to make, or some interior stuff to do, or if anything happens to the car. Anyway, I'll catch you guys whenever one of those things happens.